Be a truck driving man here. Are we rolling? Schooner Wharf, are you with me? All right, that's good. Good enough. It's a Buck Owens tune here, truck driving man. See if we can get it going. I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas. Was a little place called Hamburger Dan. I heard that old jukebox up playing. Was a song about a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in that jukebox and play the truck driving man. The waitress just brought me some coffee. I thanked her but called her again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in that jukebox and play the truck driving man. Climbed back to board my old semi, and just like a flash I was gone. I got them truck wheels a rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in that jukebox and play the truck driving man. Play the truck driving man. Yee-hoo. San Antonio, New Orleans.